The mere fact that my mother was allowed to go out on bail, it shows that the evidence was very weak. And in the same way, in the same vein, we believe that, and the lawyers are there. They believe also that all these other cases are just as weak. And so the lawyers are ready. I mean, may mga kaso, yeah, that's part of the process. I know, but the lawyers are ready for that, and part of the process also are things like this, yung may provisional liberty because she's out on bail. Kasama rin yan sa proseso. I mean, when people ask for justice and process, hindi naman puro porket gusto nyong makasuhan, dapat kulong na agad o dapat guilty agad. Hindi eh. May ebidensya yan, and then they have to weigh everything. Di ba? Kaya tayo may mga proseso. And kasama rin sa proseso yan, may mga karapatan din yung mga akusado.
Alright. Now, how is Mikey, Luli?
Well, Luli and Mikey were there.
Okay. And Luli gave birth.
Yes,
she was very emotional.
Luli gave birth last month.
Okay.
Last month, ano. So, she's home. And so, siguro she was also more emotional because she hasn't seen my mom in a long time.
Yeah.
And she hasn't been able to communicate with my mom kasi bawal ang telepono sa loob ng veteran. So, talagang zero. Unless mag-email siya sa amin and then we print it out and then we show our mom.
Oh.
Pero yung in terms of talking face-to-face, kahit online man lang or texting each other, wala. Zero talaga kasi bawal nga po sa veterans yung mga any
So your mom had no cell phone, no nothing?
Nothing. Even guests were not allowed to bring in gadgets, no. But we followed everything. And also, ma'am, I'd like to say, first of all, no, to all the policemen who were there also in veterans, nagkapasalamat kami. They were very nice, very courteous, very polite, and they're very accommodating naman. They would follow the rules, but they wouldn't be mean. Di ba? They were very courteous. And minsan nga, pag if we would go out to rest for, because our phones were left outside. Kung lalabas muna kami, minsan kakwentuhan pa naman yung mga police about many different things.
What lessons have you learned or you think your mom has learned?
Well, one of the things that definitely we learned through this, no, although we have known this all along, is that when the chips are down, you know who your real friends are.
Yeah.
It may sound like a cliche, but it's true. It's true. You know, you can see who sticks by you, who stands by you, who will stay there and support you, and you will see those who were just, let's say, those who were just befriending you because they thought that they might gain something from it. And that's one of the important things.
What about your dad?
What about
How is he?
Oh, well, he's ganun din. Just like everyone else, he's very happy that that my mother is has this time to stay home with the family. Iba eh, and he's really happy about that. And in fact, he wishes that umabot man lang sana sa, well, fingers crossed, no, na kasi their anniversary is on August 2.
Oh.
So
pang-ilan?
Mahaba-haba na rin.
200th anniversary o ano?
2,700,000 ano.
So, August 2.
Parang they've been married forever, so.
Oh, yeah. All right.
And so he's happy about the timing also. But then again, he knows, just like we all do, that this is temporary.
Yes.
So we're talagang nagpapasalamat. At least we have this opportunity to be with her in this setting na kumpleto yung pamilya sa loob ng bahay. And in spite of everything that's been happening to her.
All right. Now, you know what I wanted to ask you? How do you feel that it seems your mom has been in office for 9 years, but no one seems to talk about the gains that were done in her...
Many people talk about the gains.
Yes, but you know how it is? I mean, okay, the SONA of President Aquino is always about what your mom failed to do or didn't do. I mean, when you listen to that,
I didn't listen to it.
you don't listen. You've never listened to Pinoy SONA?
I get the updates from
Yes.
ANC alerts.
Okay. ANC alerts, good choice. All right. But you don't listen.
You can siguro digest everything in a paragraph or two. So,
But how do you feel that it seems, I'm trying to say that, people skip the things your mom's done. If I were going to ask you, what do you hope would be remembered?
well, ma'am, generally, that sentiment siguro is applicable here in Metro Manila. But everywhere else you go, it's very different. And I've been around the country also. Many of the other congressmen have invited me to their home districts.
Okay.
And the support is really, it's overwhelming.
On the ground.
Oo. And they say, maraming lumalapit sa amin na pinagdadasal namin yung nanay nyo and nagpapasalamat kami. Itong port namin, itong ganito, yung Roro, yung highway na yan. Nagpapasalamat kami dahil si GMA nagdala niyan. I mean, a lot of these things. So, it more than balances it out. So, yun nga ma'am, it's a misperception that that people do not really talk about what she has done. If you go around, especially outside Metro Manila, people are very, very appreciative.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to ask you in hindsight, what do you think was your mom's biggest mistake? And you can be candid.
Yeah, well, I think it's not a mistake actually, but in terms of siguro yung nabawasan ng popularity. No. She realized that being a president, and it's not a mistake, but I'm saying this in terms of why she may not be as popular as we'd like.
All right.
No? Because she realized that the job of being a president it's not a popularity contest. You will have to decide on many things that will not be popular, but they will be needed. They will be important.
Hello, Garci.
That has anything been proven? Maraming mga so-called scandals or so-called these events that people seem to keep on going back to.
Yeah.
But in the end, ma'am, nothing has been proven. Yun na naman po sa napakaraming kaso, so-called scandals or so-called these events that people seem to keep on going back to.
Yeah.
But in the end, ma'am, nothing has been proven. Yun na naman po sa napakaraming kaso,